İçdaş's bigger facilities, constituting a sustainable business model on a global scale, are located at the entrance of the Strait of Çanakkale, that is the international passage of Turkey connecting the Sea of Marmara with the Aegean and Mediterranean seas. İçDAŞ, with its steel, energy facilities, port management, marine and land transportation businesses, and shipyards, maintains its position at the forefront of national economic activity and brought a fresh breath to the global marine and ship maintenance and repair industry with its dry dock. İçDAŞ's dry dock is one of the major steps toward integrating the seas surrounding the country on three sides and providing endless treasury of resource with global economy. İçDAŞ Dry Dock, the embodied form of the sweat of brow and great effort of Koca Mustafa Bey, who started his family around 150 years ago by establishing the ship repair business in the Golden Horn, Haliç, is the largest facility in the ship maintenance and repair industry in the Mediterranean basin. The dry dock, where the vessels are lifted out of the water by filling and draining seawater, and maintenance and repair work is performed, has a capacity to provide servicing to a wide range of vessels, from dry cargo vessels to large military vessels. İçDAŞ Biga Dry Dock Facility, with its outstanding size, which is the pioneer in the ship maintenance industry in Turkey, was installed by using 100% local labor and capital. İçDAŞ Dry Dock Facility, which forms a local sustainability model in terms of efficient production, environmental awareness, and sociocultural development, provides dry docking services to the world's largest vessels, and also creates many job opportunities for well-qualified labor in ship maintenance repair industry. İçDAŞ's 370 meters long, 70 meters wide, and 10 meters deep world-class brand dry dock is capable of accommodating the world's largest vessels and tonnages with appropriate transporting and lifting equipment, fabrication shops, heavy-duty equipment park, and recreation facilities is installed on an area of 114,000 square meters. And with these features, İçDAŞ Dry Dock Facilities is the only private business in Turkey that has the capacity of building aircraft carrier. Maintenance, repair, and overhaul of hundreds of vessels sailing in international waters have been successfully completed in the İçDAŞ's dry dock facility, which is the largest dry dock in Turkey from 2020 to the present. İçDAŞ's dry dock, whose importance has been incrementally increasing in the economy of İçDAŞ for each year over the years, serves as an excellent model for the ship maintenance and repair industry. İçDAŞ's dry dock facility, the wheelhouse of deep seas and blue horizons.